Good morning, students of class 8A. Yesterday we were studying English literature chapter number 3, Dolphins, the smart mammals. Chapter 3, Dolphins, the smart mammals. Now we are going to continue the chapter. Dolphins are one of the most intelligent creatures. They live in the sea. Also in some rivers they live. They are one of the smartest and most intelligent creatures. They are very cooperative to humans. About 35 types of dolphins are there. The smallest dolphin are about 8 feet and the average length of dolphins are about 8 feet. And the longest dolphin are about 8 meters long. The smallest dolphins are about 40 kg and the biggest, longest, heaviest dolphins are about 10,000 kilograms. They are expert swimmers and divers. In the depths of the sea, they can dive more than 1,000 feet and they can swim about 40 kilometers per hour for a long time, and frequently they come to the surface of the sea to breathe, and they live spring on the surface of water, on the surface of sea, or and leaping in the air looks so attractive. They give birth to their child, a small baby. Baby are called calves. Male dolphins are called bull, females are called cows. Their group is called pods. Their larger, bigger groups are called school. They are extremely intelligent animals. Very easily they can be trained for human help. They have a great echolocation ability. Echo means sound. Through sound, they locate their friends, enemies, and other objects in the deep sea. In the sea, they make sounds, and the sounds reflects from the objects. They make sound, those sound all around the sea water. When the reflected sound, echo means a type of sound when they create sounds, and when the sounds reflects, they can easily locate if there are any friends or enemies or objects. They can easily locate objects. When the returning sounds, with the help of returning sounds from the objects, they easily locate what objects are there, any friends, enemies, or any objects. Their eyesight and hearing power are also so excellent. With the help of their excellent eyesight and hearing power, they find the exact location of objects. A species of dolphins are bottlenose dolphins. But bottlenose dolphins are the cleverest, most intelligent. of all the species. And those species of dolphins are trained by US Navy. They train those dolphins to find out objects, different types of objects in the sea. Sometimes the objects which have lost in the sea, those dolphins help them to locate those objects in the sea. Or underwater mines. From mines, we dig out different types of minerals such as copper, coal, gold, diamonds. So in locating those mines also, dolphins help them. It is very easy to train any dolphins. Dolphins training is very easy. Easily they understand, they are very familiar and friendly to humans. Great, amazing, excellent communication skills they have. They can make different sounds, but for communications, mainly they make whistling sounds. Or for other dolphins, with their body parts, they use their body parts and communicate with other dolphins. They are very social, compassionate, kind, cooperative animals. They are so friendly to humans, so friendly that they give permission, they allow the people to swim with them. Many people swim with them, so friendly, they don't fear any persons or don't harm them. They are so playful, cheerful, happy nature animals. Always it seems that they smiles. And dolphins eat fish, smaller fish. So when they want to eat a group of fish, to a smaller group of dolphins or bigger group of dolphins, any group of dolphins, they go near the group of fish and in circle they surround on all sides. They surround the fishes, come close to the fishes, and then attack the fish and they eat fish. And sometimes when dolphins feels any danger, then what they do? First of all, they make circle around their baby ones, their smaller babies, or the dolphins which are sick, injured. Around sick, injured and baby dolphins, all the dolphins make circles, protect them from their enemies. And then they fight the enemies with their tails and teeth. Main enemies of the dolphins are some species of larger sharks and whales. Larger species of sharks and whales are the main enemies of the dolphins. Sometimes it is sad to say that sometimes humans also kill dolphins for their meat and oil from their blubber. And for many other purpose we kill dolphins. It is very unfortunate, sad, sorrowful. That's why due to killing, many species of dolphins have come on the point of being extinct. Their number are very few. So it is our duty that we should not kill those marvelous, excellent, wonderful creatures of the sea. They are so friendly to us, they never harm us. So also it's our duty that we should never kill them for our own benefit. That's all. Thank you, students. I understand. I think you all have understood. In the next class, we will discuss the questions answers. Thank you.